Please just ignore the silence around. It's not a good ambience, but still now we are going to discuss about the strategy. Okay, I am Shubhangini Dubey. We had already discussed in the Meet Your Teacher. You can just watch in the introduction section, and about the course you can just access about the course in the next section. Now it's about the strategy. Okay, so the strategy is about the course, and UPSC prelims will be held on 31st of May 2020. So beginning it with the 16th October, we have to cover it on the daily basis. Okay, so the strategy is daily current affairs is discussed, as we have already mentioned it in earlier video. I have already mentioned it. The next part will be daily editorial page discussion. Okay, editorial page, why it's important? The importance of editorial page is UPSC asked direct questions from the editorial part. Okay, it is the part which will be the solid base for the mains examination. We are not going to prepare only for the prelims, but as well as for the mains, right? So we will discuss it, but if it will be in the syllabus only. Okay, so there are topics, the Rafale topic, the typhoon topics, or the storms, or the climate change, whatever it is, we are going to discuss it. Okay, then sticking to the Hindu especially. Okay, then daily and monthly current affairs will be there online, and mock test will be there with discussion lectures. We will have a discussions on the how the mock questions, why the mock questions are there. If there will be 10 mock questions, then what was the reason of these questions, how UPSC will ask. Even I will be making a mock test series. Okay, so maybe UPSC can ask it in another way as well, but at least we will having the idea of it. Okay, then apart from it, we will be discussing the PIB news and the government schemes. See, government schemes are not so important, but sometimes UPSC ask it. Okay, there are schemes right now. Recently only Abhijit Banerjee got the Nobel Prize for the economics. He was the one who criticized demonetization, but on the same side, he was the one who made the Nyaya scheme in the previous government. So these are the things we have to discuss. Okay, then the Yojana magazines. Every month there is a topic, and in that topic we have to understand why this topic arose, what were the questions which can be asked, and especially we have to think about the previous year question paper as well. If we will have a look on previous year question paper, we will understand how Yojana magazine subjects are raised by UPSC. Okay, so Yojana magazine is important because it's the government schemes, and sometimes the ex-IAS officers also write the editorial part. So somehow it makes it important. Okay, so this is the strategy. I will be sharing the notes, and with the help of notes we will have the discussion. And if you guys will sticking with me from 16th October onwards, then I think we will be covering the 90% of the syllabus if it will be about current affairs. See, if we will be look about the previous year questions paper, there are 4 questions, 5 questions, 6 questions. That makes a difference. Okay, but if we are covering it, the dynamic part, we will have our command on static part as well. Okay, so these were the things. It's our strategy, and then whatever need you guys will be having, if there will be any doubt or any queries, you can just comment in the comment section, and then we will figure it out your queries as well. Thank you.